still taking time. Let me tell you the process again because this is the second shot. What we did is user will be triggering API gateway, and API gateway will be going to the AWS Lambda function. So the function that is given by the developer will get executed. So the developer gave a service, email service function. So it goes directly to the SES service. In order to get executed of one service through another service, we should give the policy. So what we did, we took a policy and we changed our YAML file and we deployed. So after deploying, we'll get a URL. We'll copy this and we'll check that in API doc. So we can see email sent successfully. So let's check our email. So we have given the email should go to the another mail ID. Yeah, we can see the test. When we see the message will be Lambda testing and the subject is regarding testing. So when we see API doc, I have changed like the from and to was same. The subject was regarding testing and the message was Lambda testing. The mistake that we did is the post method should be capital. And let's check. Let's take a older version itself and let's see whether it works with a new version, not a older version. SLS deploy. Still taking. So now we are using this API doc. As I showed in the presentation, we are not using any application, but we need an application. As a cloud engineer, we can't create an application. So we will be giving a request to a developer in order to get front end, in order to get front end instead of using this API doc. So we also have another website in order to get any front end based on the JSON file that we have, which is next.js. According to me, this is a wonderful website because you will get front end based on the JSON file that you have. So I want to create a Next.js application. Start now. And we will be using this command and we will be changing the name of the project that we are going to use. So let's see whether it is deployed. Yeah, it is deployed. And let's check whether it works in a new version. If not, we'll be changing the runtime again. I hope it works. No, it won't work for the new version. So we'll change that to which was 14 version. So you are getting right what I am explaining. Fawaz and Shweta.
Yes, 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 Darshan.
Yeah.
So it won't work for the new version. So I changed to the older version, and let me check again. We'll see. Yeah, it works for the older version, which was 14. So email sent successfully. So when we check mail again, we'll get another mail of same subject and message. So instead of using this API dog every time, we will use a front-end website. Let's say we asked, as a cloud engineer, we will be asking a front-end developer in order to make a front-end application based on the JSON field. So right now we don't have a developer, so we'll be making use of this command where we got from next.js. And then we will paste it here and we'll change the name. We'll give cloud and loud SES front end. Yeah. So when we check the directory, we all know that we were working with serverless.yaml, and we all know that handler.js is given by a developer. And this is a front end directory that we got now. So let's go inside the directory, cloud and loud SES front end. Okay, change the directory. I didn't write CD. Let's see what inside this directory. So inside this directory, we'll only be working inside the pages. Inside the pages, we need to give another JSON file in order to interact front end with the handler.json, which is in this directory. So let's see inside the pages, change the directory to pages, and let's see what is there inside this. We have index.js, and if you see this, add index.js. So we have the JSON file based on the front end that we got. So what we will be doing is a front end developer will be giving another JSON file in order to interact with so what front end developer does is he will give another JSON file which is inside this front end directory should interact with handler.js, which is in this cloud and loud SES directory. So I have another JSON file named index.js, which is inside this. and we will paste it inside index.js. We'll open it again. Control A, control paste. So this is given by front-end developer, and save this. Let's check again whether we're getting the same. So then we'll change the directory to the parent directory, and then we should type these comments. Like these comments we got right after giving the command that we copied from nps next.js. So npm run dev. pm dev. So this is my local host. Okay, this paste it here. So this is the website that is created by Next.js, which is a front-end developer for me. So instead of using this API doc, I'll be using this front-end. Subject can be anything regarding loans about assignment. And send. There is an error because in this I have used the URL that I got during my execution. So I have to change the URL. So the URL that we got is here. So I have to copy this and then go to the notepad of which is inside the pages. Let's take another command. Change the directory to loud and loud one. CS slash CS slash loud and loud CS content slash pages. So directory notepad index.js. So I have to paste the URL over here after await fetch. Control V and save it. Yes. And then we will run it again. npm run dev. It will be the same URL, but do it again. Send. Okay, let me deploy it again. Yes. SLS deploy. Change the directory, run dev. Let's check it again in API doc for safety side. Yeah, it's working. Directory, front end. npm So the error is because of parse, which is cross origin. Resource sharing. So when we want to share the resource, between different origin, we have to mention that in serverless.yaml. So we'll go to the serverless. Course. We have to mention the course. So course is equals to true. Yes, course is equals to true. Yes. Change the directory. Notepad. Serverless.yaml. Save this. Serverless. Deploy. Let me delete the older messages. I have deleted it. Let's see where to delete this. There's still 10 more minutes. I think we'll complete this within 10 minutes. Let's check here. It's working. Change the directory to loud and loud. SCS content. NPM and developer. Now, so from this mail ID, we have sent a message as hello, I'm looking for an internship, and the subject is not relating to this. Only to check this, we are doing this. So I need to check my email ID, whether I got a mail or not. Yeah, we can see. So regarding module 8 discussion, hello, I'm looking for internship. As per the diagram, what we did is user will be triggering this function using API gateway through the URL that we got. So based on the function that is mentioned by the developer, it will connect to the services. So the developer is mentioned email service. In order to integrate, like in order to connect Lambda function, Lambda service to the email service, we should give a policy. So we have given policy and we have integrated this SES service inside the Lambda function. So this will be the website. This will be the website. And this will be the user. User will be accessing this website through API gateway, Lambda function, and SES service inside the website. So this is a project that I did. I hope you understood.
Yes, Darshan, it was a very good demo.
Thank you.